Hey guys, welcome back to Mechanic Marvel. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to change your engine oil and your air filter. Doing this yourself saves you money and lets you put the best quality parts in your car. Let's get started. First, we pop the clips and remove the old dirty air filter. Next, we remove the oil filler cap. Top tip. Taking this cap off right now lets air flow through the engine, which helps the old oil drain out much faster from the bottom. Now we get the car up in the air. If you are doing this at home, make sure you use high-quality jack stands for safety. Most modern cars have this plastic dust shield. Remove the screws, but here's a great mechanic trick. Leave one screw in so you can just swing the cover out of your way without dropping it on your head. Locate your oil pan and grab a 14mm wrench. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Break that bolt loose. Right next door is our oil filter. I'm using a special filter cup tool to crack it loose, since they can get pretty tight. Slide your catch pan underneath and carefully unthread the drain bolt by hand. Let that old oil flow out. Then carefully unscrew the old filter. Be ready because a little extra oil will spill out here too. Here is a massive pro tip. Before you install the new filter, take a clean finger, dip it in fresh oil, and rub it around this rubber O-ring. This ensures a perfect seal and makes it easy to take off next time. Thread the new filter on by hand and just give it a gentle snug with the tool. Do not over-tighten it. Next, install a fresh washer on your drain bolt, tighten it down, and always wipe the area clean with a rag so you can easily spot if there are any leaks later. With the car back on the ground, take a clean cloth and wipe out the air filter housing so you don't get any junk sucked into the engine. Drop the fresh air filter in and snap those clips shut. Now for the best part. I'm filling up my jugs with exactly 3.3 liters of high-quality 0W16 full synthetic oil. Put your funnel in and pour it in nice and slow. Now, screw your oil cap back on tight. Now, before you drive anywhere, always start the engine for a few seconds to let the oil circulate. Turn it off and check your dipstick to make sure the level is right at the top dot. If this video helped you save money today, hit that subscribe button for more real workshop repairs.